We have an older Honda CRV, and here is the reason why you shouldn't wait that long, because the sun does permanent damage to your headlights, especially on Hondas. The top left corners, see how bad these lights are, get permanent sun damage, sunburn, permanent. You can get a lot of it out, but it always has traces even after it's done by us. It's just the burn goes right through the plastic to the inside. Nothing you can do. See the little dots up top there? That's permanent. But the lights came out awesome. I mean, it's 100% transformation when you're looking at it. Just the top, very, very, very top corners burned through on Hondas. South Florida, give us a call, 754-302-0769. Mobile service, Broward, Miami-Dade, and Palm Beach.